Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking ice hockey and street food. So we're heading to Nottingham, we're going to go in on the tram, and the tram's the best way by far to get into Nottingham. And because we're going to an ice hockey game, you actually can get what's called an event ticket. You just go to the machines at any tram stop, you can get a ticket for £2 per person, and it's a lot cheaper than the normal rate, which is about I think £4 or £5, and that's valid all day pretty much, so you can go in at any point on the day of the event and go shopping, or as we were doing, we were going for some street food. So it's definitely a great option when you're in Nottingham. So when we actually got into the centre, there was like a big kind of thing in the market square, like a big beach, loads of rides, fairground rides. There was loads of places to eat and things. Really cool idea, and I think it might just be available for the end of the summertime. So we headed to the Victoria Centre to a place called Nottingham Street Food Club, and this place is it's quite a new place. I've not heard of it before, but it's got loads of different street food from all over the world. So a great option if you're looking for somewhere cheap to eat, or if you want if you can't make your mind up and you want a bit of variety. Absolutely perfect. The first place we went to is a place called Decad's. They do steamed baos, like the steamed Chinese buns. You might have seen that in my previous video with the uni. The baos, you can choose 3 different flavours for £10 if you want to, which is what we did. We got each one from the menu pretty much. A Korean one, I believe there was, with gochujang and some spices. Dr Pepper bao, which was pulled pork, and another one with pulled beef. Really good quality, really enjoyed them, and I'd recommend that stall, definitely. That wasn't the best stall though. The best stall by far was a place called Homeboys, which does Japanese stuff like katsu curries and fries and things like that. The fries are unbelievable. This is the best, probably the best fries I've ever had in my life. They're topped with okonomiyaki sauce, which is like a Japanese barbecue sauce, kewpie mayonnaise, nori powder, and a couple of other little spices here and there. Pickled ginger. Honestly, these were so good. We were sharing things at the time, but you don't want to share these. So after that, we headed off to the Nottingham Panthers game. They were playing against Stavanger Oilers, a team from Norway. It's pre-season at the moment for Panthers, but on Saturday they take on their rivals Sheffield Steelers in the first game, which is a Challenge Cup game. The Panthers are looking really good compared to last season. They had a bit of a bad spell in the middle of the season, but everyone's kind of more optimistic now. There's a new coach, new players, and the team played amazing. Unfortunately, I couldn't film a lot of the game at Panthers. In fact, I couldn't film any of the game. You're not allowed to take photographs while the puck's in play or take videos on your phone while the game's going on. So I've got a few shots. I hope it gives you an idea of what it's like to experience the game at Nottingham. It is a brilliant night out, everyone loves it, it's cheap as well. Tickets start from about £17 for adults and about £7 for children. There's no swearing, or there's no threatening behaviour, things that you might get at other sports. It's a great sport, it's all action. 3 periods of 20 minutes apiece. Really, really good. Regular breaks as well, so you can go grab some food. It's honestly turning into my new favourite sport. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. There are more vlogs on the way, so please keep checking back to the channel. Remember to drop a like on my video if you enjoyed it. Also to subscribe if you haven't already. and follow me on social media, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. All the links in the description box below. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.